Come back here, Mikey. They're about to let some more firecrackers off. Step back.
Keep going with Mikey.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Look at it, it looks like stars.
It does, falling down. I should have filmed that part. I didn't. Hopefully it happens. They do it again. They're probably gonna do more. Well, yeah, they save a lot every time they.
Next year, week's gonna be shitty.
What, next year?
Next week.
Yeah, I know. Mm-hmm.
Another year.
I know. But you gotta think about it too. My ass is I'm keep my fucking ass busy next week.
Are you recording this for your show?
Mm-hmm. Why? They know what I'm talking about. They don't know what I'm talking about. Who cares? You already are. Jax, back off. Because it keeps coming to hit you. Back off. Hey, that was perfect.
That was the same time.
Right?
When? What do you expect?
It took you long enough to get it to be perfect.
Don't stop for you didn't want it. It was perfect the whole time.
Like y'all planned that.
Yeah, right? Oh, shit.
Look, Carla. Look, watch this. Watch this.
Nikki's all happy because she's got a magnet like my phone. She loves it.
That's cute, ain't it?
They can't really see because it's too bright and it's dark out, so when the light hits it, they can't see. Look, come here, look at me. Look at the camera. You can't see what the hell it is.
Oh.
What?
Somebody else popping firecrackers. You can hear them.
I thought Grandpa popped one over there. That's what I thought too.
Stay up there.
Go up there with Jack, your cousin. Can't think of his damn name right now.
Hey, that was a dud.
Right?
Only one went off.
They both went off.
Yeah, they both went off.
I only saw one.
They both went off.
They both went
Like at
off.
the same time almost.
That time I showed the like the little things going down like stars. Showed it on that one. That. Excuse me.
Almost done.
Aw.
Stay up there.
No, almost done. I like that one.
That went up high.
That one did.
It went up really high.
Mm-hmm.
Still got more? That's the freaking 4th of July all over again.
Well, at least this time I got to see it. Still blame myself for that shit. No one asked me how my 4th was. I didn't even tell them.
Come back up here. They're still lighting them off.
Jax, did you hear what Auntie said? Okay, sit by the thing and let the bugs get to you.
Get off the garbage can, man. You don't want the creepy crawlies on you. Creepy crawly bugs. Leave that bug alone.
Yeah, they were. Get off me!
Calls actually get high.
I should go stand in the cloud of smoke so the bugs don't come to me. I got one hitting me here, one hitting me in my face.
I'm about to get a pop.
Oh,
I'm on my last one.
well, she's getting popped. Mikey, stay.
Dave, tell Dave to bog her.
Fun. You said yeah?
Last one.
Okay, he said no.
No. Said no.
He
Yeah.
said no.
I said yeah.
Stay back, Jax. Oh, he's doing 3 of them. Holy shit.
the middle one first, then go down.
Or do it in a row. Light that one, then light that one, then light that one.
Stop. Don't go in the house. Stop. Don't go in the house.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
And who else? And Uncle James?
James. James, Dad.